Cognitive development refers to the growth of thinking, learning, reasoning, memory, problem-solving, and language abilities throughout a person's life. The concept is closely associated with psychologist Jean Piaget, who proposed that children actively construct knowledge as they interact with the world. Understanding cognitive development helps students, teachers, and parents appreciate how human intelligence evolves from infancy to adulthood.
What is cognitive development?
Cognitive development is the process through which people acquire, organize, and use knowledge. It includes the development of memory, attention, language, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. Cognitive development begins at birth and continues throughout life. As individuals grow, their thinking becomes more complex, allowing them to understand abstract ideas, solve difficult problems, and adapt to new situations effectively.
Who is considered the father of cognitive development?
Jean Piaget is widely known as the father of cognitive development. He believed that children are active learners who construct knowledge through experience. Piaget proposed 4 stages of cognitive development: sensorimotor, preoperational, concrete operational, and formal operational. His groundbreaking research transformed our understanding of how children's thinking develops and remains influential in education and psychology today.
What are the 4 stages of cognitive development according to Piaget?
Piaget identified 4 stages: sensorimotor, birth 2 years, where infants learn through senses and actions; pre-operational, 2 to 7 years, characterized by symbolic thinking and imagination; concrete operational, 7 to 11 years, where logical thinking about concrete objects develops; and formal operational, 12 years and above, where abstract reasoning and hypothetical thinking emerge. Each stage represents a qualitative change in cognitive abilities.
Why is cognitive development important? Cognitive development is important because it influences how people learn, solve problems, communicate, and make decisions. Strong cognitive skills support academic success, social interactions, and everyday functioning. Understanding cognitive development helps educators design effective teaching methods and enables parents to provide age-appropriate learning experiences that encourage intellectual growth and lifelong learning. What factors influence cognitive development?
Several factors influence cognitive development, including genetics, environment, education, nutrition, social interactions, and cultural experiences. A stimulating environment with opportunities for exploration and learning promotes healthy cognitive growth. Supportive relationships with parents, teachers, and peers also contribute significantly. Both biological and environmental factors work together to shape an individual's intellectual development.
What is the sensorimotor stage?
The sensorimotor stage occurs from birth to approximately 2 years of age. During this period, infants learn about the world through their senses and physical actions. A major achievement of this stage is the development of object permanence, the understanding that objects continue to exist even when they cannot be seen. This stage forms the foundation for later cognitive growth.
What is object permanence?
Object permanence is the understanding that objects and people continue to exist even when they are out of sight. Before developing this concept, infants may believe an object has disappeared when it is hidden. Piaget considered object permanence one of the most important milestones in early cognitive development because it demonstrates the child's growing ability to form mental representations.
How does language contribute to cognitive development?
Language plays a crucial role in cognitive development by helping individuals communicate ideas, organize thoughts, and understand complex concepts. Through language, children learn to categorize information, express emotions, solve problems, and engage in social interactions. As vocabulary and communication skills grow, so does the ability to think critically and understand the world more deeply.
How does cognitive development continue during adolescence?
During adolescence, individuals enter Piaget's formal operational stage, characterized by abstract thinking, logical reasoning, and hypothetical problem-solving. Teenagers become capable of considering multiple perspectives, planning for the future, and analyzing complex issues. This period is crucial for developing higher-order thinking skills that support academic achievement, personal decision-making, and social understanding.
How can cognitive development be enhanced?
Cognitive development can be enhanced through reading, problem-solving activities, educational games, meaningful conversations, creative play, and lifelong learning. Encouraging curiosity and providing stimulating experiences help strengthen thinking skills. Adequate nutrition, physical exercise, quality sleep, and supportive social relationships also contribute to healthy brain development and improved cognitive functioning throughout life. Cognitive development is a lifelong journey that shapes how we think, learn, and understand the world. From infancy to adulthood, cognitive abilities evolve through experience, education, and social interaction. The work of Jean Piaget continues to provide valuable insights into this fascinating process, helping us appreciate the remarkable growth of the human mind.